Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today it's another cooking vlog. It's not just a cooking vlog, it's a Japanese cooking vlog. I will be showing you how to make sushi, 3 types of sushi. I'll be making Agedashi Tofu. It's a Japanese broth with crispy tofu. And I'll be making tamago. Is tamago considered sushi? I don't know, but I see that being served as part of the sushi plate. So, I don't know. I have to do my research after this video, after we film everything. But I will be preparing my ingredients and I will be showing you how to make the Agedashi tofu first and also the tamago. Okay, let's get started! First is to prepare your water for the Agedashi tofu broth. This Agedashi tofu recipe that I'm going to teach you is the authentic Japanese recipe. That is why we are going to be using Bonito Flakes. Bonito Flakes is often mistaken as dried squid, but in fact it is bonito, fish, dried salted fish, shaved dried fish. And that is Bonito Flakes. I've just added soy sauce and rice vinegar. Well guys, I don't have a specific measurement for this recipe. It's all about your preference. Some people like it salty, some people like it a little bit sweeter and sour. So it all depends on your preference, so try experimenting with it. Now we've added grated ginger and spring onion. I have learned that Japanese sushi rice must be washed twice and soaked for 30 minutes before cooking, and that is what I'm doing right now. I am saving the water to water my plants. As you can see, I am using the traditional way of measuring water for my stovetop cooking. Well, I will be making a video for it, so please stay tuned. Here I am going to drain the tofu to prepare it for the deep frying later. And these are the eggs for our tamagoyaki. Of course, smoked salmon. And I have prepared the rest of the filling for our sushi. If you have an air fryer, I would suggest that you cook your spam in an air fryer for a healthier option. And this is how I make sushi rolls. Well guys, I have completely forgotten to turn on my video while I was making the sushi rice. Well, this is the process. After the rice finished cooking, you take it out and put it in a container. Then pour a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar and keep mixing until it cools down. That's how you prepare your sushi rice. Well guys, the next step is to fry your tofu for the Agedashi Tofu. Now, the process is after draining all the water from your tofu while it's still moist, coat it with corn or rice flour, and that's it. You don't need to add anything, and then it's ready for deep frying. It will turn out crispy and delicious for your Agedashi tofu broth. Guys, this is our aburi salmon, and I apologize if I don't have a video of the process, but yes, this is the challenging part when you film everything on your own, and I thought that the camera was rolling. So yes, just take a scoop of rice and form it in an oval shape, and then put your salmon, the smoked salmon, on top and pour it with your mixture of soy sauce, a little bit of sugar, and sesame oil. That makes it the teriyaki sauce for your aburi. And top it with Kewpie mayo, the famous Japanese mayo. Add mozzarella cheese on top of your salmon. I'm going to be showing you how to make tamagoyaki. Tamagoyaki is a Japanese omelette, and it is often sweet but not overpowering. When I first made this, I was extremely challenged, but then later on I got the hang of it. That is why I usually eat this for breakfast. Now guys, this is the way how to make it. You just keep on folding your omelette, and that's it. Keep repeating the process until you get a big roll of tamago, and that makes it tamagoyaki. And there you have it, guys, our easy recipe of salmon aburi, tamagoyaki, sushi rolls, and agedashi tofu. Please try my recipes and don't forget to tag me in your videos. If you have comments or suggestions, please do post them in the comments box section. Alright guys, I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for your support. This video is brought to you by MOMIJI's Amazon store, kitchen essentials curated for you, MOMIJI's channel members, and MOMIJI's merchandise with thousands of items to choose from, designed by yours truly. There's more for you, my lovely supporters. Use iSubbed at Teespring checkout to get $30 off your entire order. Links below.